Welcome to Harika Mathematics. Today, real numbers, number system, part 3. Okay, first question. Using Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of 726 and 275. Okay, first, then Euclid's division lemma. First, Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R. 0 is less than or equal to or less than B. What is A? 726. What is B? 275. Then substitute the A values. You find, first of all, you divide 275 with 726. Then 2 is 2 times 2 is Q. Then 176 is the remainder. Okay. Now A value and B value, Q and R value. Substitute the A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay. Then A is equal to, then 726 is equal to, B means 275 into Q. Q means coefficient 2 plus R means remainder 176. Okay. Next one 176. Then 275 is equal to 176 into 1 is 176 plus 99, that is the 275. Okay, next one 176 is equal to 99 into 1 plus 77, that is equal to 176. That is equal to 99 is equal to 77 into 1 plus 22. Okay, then 77 is equal to 22 into 3, 36 plus 11, 77. Q is coefficient and 3 is coefficient, 11 is remainder. Then 22 is equal to 11 into 2 plus 0. Then HCF is equal to 11. Okay, understand this problem? Okay, next divisions. Next question. 3 bells toll at intervals of 9, 12, 15 minutes respectively. If they start together, after what time will they next toll together? Okay, then since the time to toll next together, that is the LCM. Okay, 9, 12, 15 LCM. Okay, 3 3 is 3 square, 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 square into 3, 3 5 is 15. Okay, next LCM of 9, 12, 15 is equal to 3 square, 2 square, 5, that is equal to 180 minutes. That is equal to 180 minutes. Then 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4 into 5, 9 4 jar 36 into 5, 180. Okay, hence the bells will toll next together after 180 minutes. Next, find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 and verify that HCM and LCF is equal to product of the two given numbers. Okay, first of all you write factorization, factors. 404, 2 into 2 into 101, that is equal to 2 square into 101. 96 the prime factorization, that is equal to 2 power 5 into 3. Then HCF of 404 and 96 is equal to, then 2 square, 2 is equal to 4. Next LCM is equal to, LCM of 404 and 96 is equal to 101 into 2 power 5 into 3, that is equal to 9696. Okay, HCM into LCM, the product of two numbers. Okay, 4 into 9696. HCF means 404, LCM means 96 into, that is equal to 38,784. Okay, hence LCM into HCF into LCM is equal to product of 404 and 96. Okay, understand this? Next one. If HCF of 144 and 180 is expressed in the form 13m minus 16, find the value of m. Okay, then what is the A? A is 180, then B is equal to 144. First of all, division. Okay, then A is equal to 180, B is equal to A is equal to BQ plus R. B means 144 into Q means 1, that is plus 36. Okay, next 144 into 36 4 jar 144 plus remainder 0. Then HCF is equal to 36. Okay, then 36 is equal to 13m minus 16 plus 16, that is equal to 13m. Okay, 36 plus 16 52 m, that is equal to by 52 by 13 4 jar 52. Okay, m is equal to 4. Solving will get. Okay, next question. State fundamental theorem of arithmetic find LCM of numbers 2520 and 10530 by prime factorization method. What is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as the product of powers of primes, and this factorization is negative. This is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, 2520 and 10530 prime factorizations. Okay, this is the prime factorization. 2 table, 5 table, 3 table. Next, this also same, 2 5 jar. Okay, next LCM 2 power 3 and 3 power 4, 5 into 13 into 7, least common multiples. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, next question. A fruit vendor has 990 apples and 945 oranges. He packs them into baskets. Each basket contains only one of the 2 fruits. Okay, but in equal number. Find the number of fruits to be put in each basket in order to have minimum number of baskets. Okay, then HCF of 990 and 945, highest common factor. Then 945 one time, 945 remainder, and then 45, 45 into 21 times, and 2 times and 1 time. Then 990 into 945 into 1 plus 45, this is the remainder. Then also next one, 945 into 45 into 21 plus 0. Okay, and so this next, since HCF of 990 and 945 is 25, thus the fruit vendor should put 45 fruits in each basket to have minimum number of baskets. Okay, sorry, 45, this is 45. Okay, next question. An army contingent of 104 members is to march behind an army band of 96 members in a parade. The 2 groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay, understand this. Another one, an army contingent of 104 members is to march behind an army band of 96 members in a parade. The 2 groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Okay, first let the number of columns be, to say x. Say x. Then x is the largest number, which should divide both 104 and 96. Okay, 104, that means 96 into 1 time plus 8 plus 8. 104 into 96 into 1 plus 8. Then 96 is equal to 12 8 are 96 plus 0. Okay, HCF of 104 and 96 is 8. Okay, then this is the HCF. And see, 8 columns are required. 8 columns are required. Okay, thank you.